children. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So, we were doing the story Wake Up Pari, right? So, all of you have your story reader book, Wake Up Pari. Look, this book. All of you go and bring this book. Then we will start our class. So I hope all of you have your story reading book Wake Up Pari. So today we will answer questions from the story and also say why. Okay. I am going to ask you some questions from each pages of the storybook. Okay. And you have to answer the question. And after some time I will tell you the answer. Okay. So let's start. Yes. Let's start. Okay, fine. Let's start. So, what's the name of the story? Yes, can you tell me? Wake Up Pari. Wake Up Pari. Yes, the name of the story is Wake Up Pari. Okay, now all of you turn to the first page. All of you turn to the first page. This page. Okay, now look at the picture. Yes. What is the fairy's name? Do you remember the fairy's name? Can you tell me the name of the fairy? Yes, can you tell me? What is the name of the fairy? The name of the fairy is... Yes, Pari. Right. The name of the fairy is Pari. Very good. Okay. How small do you think she is? And can you hold her in your hand? Yes. How small do you think she is? Can you tell me how small is she? And can you hold her in your hand? Yes, she is not small. So we can hold her in our hand. Look, child is holding her. Right. So we can hold her in our hand. Right. Yes. Now move to the next page. Look at this. So what is her best friend name? Can you tell me what is her best friend name? Yes. Can you tell me? Yes. Her best friend name is Laddu. Laddu, right. Her best friend name is Laddu. Yes. So, is she bigger than her? Is Laddu bigger than her? Can you tell me? Yes, because we can see in the picture, Laddu is carrying her in his hand. Right? We can see here. Yes. Okay. Now all of you turn your page and look at this picture. Whose house is this? Can you tell me? Whose house is this? Laddu, right? This is Laddu's house, right? Yes. Why are they looking at the calendar? Why are they looking at the calendar? Because they have to go to school. First day of school. Look, here they marked 1 June as first day of school. That means they have to go to school on Monday, right? That's why they are looking at the calendar, right? Yes. Okay, now move to the next page. Why has Laddu gone to bed early? Can you tell me why has Laddu gone to bed early? Yes, can you tell me why Laddu gone to bed early? Because because the next day he had to go to school early, right? So that's why he gone to bed early so that he can wake up early in the morning and go to school, right? So when you go to school, do you sleep early at night? Yes. When you go to school, do you sleep early at night? I think all of you sleep early at night. You have to sleep early at night and wake up early in the morning, okay? This is a very good habit and I know you all are good children. So you have to go to bed early, okay? Oh, now turn to the next page. Look at the picture. Why has Pari not gone to bed early? Yes, why has Pari not gone to bed early? Look here, can you tell me? Because she wants to play with her friends. She wants to enjoy the night and not waste time at sleeping. Yes, can you see? The bear, the owl, the bear, the owl, these are Pari's friends. And she wants to play with them at night and enjoy the night. So she didn't went to bed early. Yes. Okay. Now move to the next page. What do you think woke Laddu up? Yes. What do you think woke Laddu up? Why Laddu wake up early? Because Laddu have to go to school, right? And he have to be ready for school. He have to bath, then wear clothes, right? Then eat breakfast. Then he will go to school. So he wake up early, right? So he wake up early. So can you tell me what day is it now? Yes, can you tell me what day it is now? Monday, right? Because he will go to school. And we have seen he has marked on the calendar 1st June Monday, right? Okay, now turn your page, all of you turn your page. Look here. What are the things that Laddu has done to get ready for school? Can you tell me what are the things that Laddu has done to get ready for school? Yes, Laddu wear his uniform. Yes, look, Laddu has wore his uniform. Then he brush his teeth. Look here. Then he brush his teeth. Then comb his hair. Can you look here? Comb his hair. And he has a bath, right? Then he is wearing uniform. Then he is carrying a bag with him. Yes. And we can see books in the bag. Right. So now he is totally ready for school. And can you tell me how does Laddu looks? Yes. How does he look? He looks very smart in his uniform and he is very neat and tidy. And so he looks very smart in his uniform and he is very neat and tidy. And so he looks very smart. Can you see it? Yes, he looks very smart. Okay, now move to the next page. What do you think? Pari woke up late. Why do you think Pari woke up late? Why do you think Pari wake up late? Because she was playing with her friends at night and she was enjoying the night. So she slept late at night. So now she is not able to wake up early, right? Now she is not able to wake up early. Yes. So, after waking up, what are the tasks she need to do before going to school? Now what she need to do before going to school? She need to bath, brush her teeth, then wear uniform, comb her hair, have to wear shoes, then eat breakfast, right? Then only he will be ready and then only she will go to school, right? Then only she can go to school. Okay, now all of you turn to the next page. Yes, turn to the next page. So, what is Pari going to do here? Look here, can you see it? Now, what is Pari going to do here? Pari is going to take a bath, right? Because she will go to school. So, before that, she need to take a bath. So, children, why is it important to have a bath daily? Do you think having a bath daily is important? Yes. Why it is important? Because it cleans our body, right? Because it cleans our body, it makes us feel fresh, right? It cleans our body, it makes us feel fresh. And we will look very pretty, right? We'll look very clean, very pretty, right? So, we need to take bath daily, okay? Okay, very good. Now, turn to the next page, all of you. Has Pari finished getting ready? Can you tell me, is Pari finished getting ready? No, right? Why no? Is her hair messy? Yes, is her hair messy? Yes, she need to comb her hair. Yes, she need to comb her hair. Do you think Laddu is helping Pari? Yes. Look, Laddu is giving her brush, right? That means Laddu is helping Pari. Yes. Okay. Now turn to the next page. So look at this page. Can you see? Why is Pari cutting her nails? Yes, can you tell me? Because Pari wants to look clean. She wants her hand to look clean. So she is cutting her nails. Do you cut your nails? Do you cut your nails? You need to cut your nails. Then your hand will look clean, okay? All of you, you have to cut your nails. When it will become big, a little big, then you cut your nails, okay? Okay, children. Is Pari eating a healthy breakfast? Can you tell me, is she eating a healthy breakfast? Yes, she is eating an apple. We can see here, right? She is eating an apple and apple is healthy. Yes, an apple is healthy. Okay, children. Now, please look at Pari's leg. Okay, I am going to ask you one question. Look it carefully first. Okay, look it carefully. And tell me which of Pari's feet has a shoe on. In which feet Pari is wearing a shoe? The left side or the right side? Yes, the left side or the right side? In which leg is she wearing a shoe? Right leg, right? In her right leg. Yes, very good. Okay, now turn your page. Yes, turn your page. Okay, do you think Pari has completed all her morning tasks? Yes? Do you think Pari has completed all her morning tasks? Look at the picture. Yes, right. Because now she looks very clean and tidy. That means she has completed her morning task. And look, she is wearing uniform, socks, shoes. Then she tied her hair. Look, she tied her hair. Then she is carrying a bag. Right. That means she is totally ready to go to school. Right? Okay. Okay, children. I hope all of you has given me the right answer because I know you have studied this, right? Okay. So, in our last class, I have given to read you the first 3 pages, right? So, now let's revise these 3 pages once more, okay? Let's start. Wake up, Pari. Okay, now all of you turn your page slowly. Pari is a fairy. Her best friend is a giant. I am Laddu. He says. Turn your page. They both start school on Monday. So, all of you have read these 3 pages. So, today's home fun activity is you have to read the next 3 pages. Look, this page and this page. Okay, you have to read the next 3 pages. This is your home fun activity for today. So children, that's all for today. See you in our next class. Okay children, take care. Bye.